HELMLIGHT 300 is a compact helmet lamp for professionals. It has a clever design with an extremely low profile to fit under visors. It has a 300 lumen light output that is optimal for close and medium range work. HELMLIGHT is fully dust tight and water resistant, has a built-in rechargeable battery, and with the included helmet mount, it fits most helmet types. HELMLIGHT has an extremely low profile and is designed to fit helmets with visors. The mounting can be adapted to fit most helmet types. Included is a helmet mount and various adhesives to fit most needs. For visors with a height of 22 mm or more, use the included helmet mount that is attached to the helmet with adhesive tape. For visors with a height of 12 to 22 mm, the lamp is mounted directly to the helmet with the included adhesive tape. To attach or detach the lamp from the helmet bracket, simply just slide it in and out like this. For visors with a height of less than 12 mm, we recommend the Z mount that can be bought as a supplement. The Z mount lets the visor pass under the lamp. The cob LED provides a wide and smooth working light of 300 lumen with less distinct shadows, optimal for close and medium range work. It has 3 light modes to give you the optimal light in different conditions. On the side there is a power button that controls the light. A short press starts the lamp in min mode. The min mode is good for reading and saves battery. Then you enter medium mode that is suitable for close range work. And finally max mode for medium range work. You can toggle through the different light modes with short presses. Turn off with a long press. When switching the lamp on or off, the 3 LEDs on the side indicate the battery status. The lamp has a lock function to prevent it from starting by accident. From off mode, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blinking LED turns constant red. Now it can't be started. To unlock, simply hold the button until the flashing red LED turns constant green. Now the lamp can be operated as usual. HELMLIGHT has a built-in, rechargeable battery that is charged with USB-C. The charging port is located here. Use the included charging cable. The charging status is indicated by the 3 LEDs on the side. When closed, the charging port as well as the rest of the lamp is fully dust tight and water resistant and meets the IP65 standard. This means you can be out in bad conditions without the risk of damaging the gear. Here on the back side you find a QR code which gives quick access to the product information. This makes it easier to pass it along to a new user and increase the lifetime of the product. So if you need a compact, dust-tight and water-resistant rechargeable helmet lamp with optimal working light and multiple mount options, a professional lamp for professional conditions, then bring more light to work with HELMLIGHT 300. SILVA PRO offers a wide range of durable, smart and trustworthy equipment you can rely on in any project at any location.